Let's start off by editing the featured product. So let's add our product here. If I click on featured product, or if you click on the little drop down, you can edit individual things within this, but let's edit the featured product first. So click on featured product, or if you don't have this, you can use a different theme. I'm just showing you how to use this. We then have everything we can edit within featured product. I'm going to click on product and just add one. We'll select our product. We only have one right now, so I'll select that one, and you can see it automatically adds the title in there, the price. We need to add the description. That's important. That's not a good look right there, but you've got sizes and colors down there. They can add it to the cart. They can buy now, and we're able to customize. Maybe you don't like this background, this kind of tan background. You can choose a different color scheme. We have 5 right now that are for this site, and if you want to customize what those color schemes are, you could, of course, click edit here, but I want to show you how to access this in the future. So let's close out of editing the featured product. On the top, you'll see the little gear icon. Those are the theme settings. From here, we can add the colors for scheme 1. And scheme 1, if you click on it, the background is kind of this like tan, beige, I don't know, kind of grayish color, to be honest. We could change that and make it any color we want. So something that would match well with this. I think this is all looking quite bad. Let's go with white. Just a white background could be fine. Just an idea of one of the ways you could set this up. If you ever don't like something, you're like, I really wish I kept that color that was there before, you can click on the back button on the top right. It'll go back to what you had, go back again to that tan. I think that's the color. And now you undid whatever your mistake was. Also, while I'm pointing out the top right, I should also mention 2 other really important things here. One is the mobile view. While you're looking at this site, click on the mobile view often to see how is this actually going to look on a phone, because a lot of people, if you're advertising on social media, are very likely going to be visiting this from their phone. Click it again to go back to desktop view, and the little Sidekick button, the little guy who's got the little mask on, looks like a sidekick. Click on that guy and you'll see we now have the ability to ask it to do things for us. So if we don't like something, so maybe the description right there, I can click on this, and then I could just ask this guy to edit that. It's also very editable on the left side, so maybe that's not a good example, but let's talk about the buttons. Maybe the button on the bottom, let me X out of this, these buttons. Maybe I just don't like the colors of them. I could click on ask for changes or click on the Sidekick here. You'll see it does say buy buttons right there. You want to make sure that's selected. So it's editing the right thing. Say maybe we want to round off the buttons and also add a shadow. You just hit enter and the Sidekick's going to do that for us. And if you can't do it, he's going to tell us how to do it. All right, and you can see it did that. So if I close out of the Sidekick, we now have a shadow. We've got a radius on there. Awesome. You can also ask how to do some more advanced things, but I just love how it's able to actually edit your site rather than just being a chat bot on the side, as many other site builders kind of do have.